to my channel, to our little community, and Happy New Year to all of you guys. I am so excited that we're beginning a new year. Yes, it's gonna be a little rough at first, but towards the middle of the year, things will be so much better. I have several New Year's resolutions, you guys, for the new year. I have, of course, personal resolutions, but I also have resolutions for my channel. So the New Year's resolution for my channel is that I really want to bring very exciting content to you, and I need your help. I need you to let me know what you like and what you don't like, and I want to kind of change my style a little bit to make it a little bit more fun. So that's one of the resolutions. The other one is that I really want to dive more into fragrance realm. At the same time, I'm going to, of course, do lifestyle and makeup. But in terms of fragrances, I really want to dive more into niche perfumes. I haven't explored enough of niche fragrance brands. There are so many amazing niche brands out there, you guys, that I haven't even explored yet. I just ordered a couple of perfumes from a very exciting brand, and they're on their way. I will bring you guys that video as soon as I receive the perfumes that I just ordered. I wanted the first video of the year to be a fragrance video, and it is an exciting perfume that I'm going to review today. I have been personally waiting for this perfume for a long time. It was sold out for the longest time on Sephora, and I couldn't find anywhere else, and finally Sephora restocked it, and I pounced and I got my hands on it. I'm usually such a savage, you guys. I can never wait to unbox stuff with you guys, and I always rip into it like a savage as soon as I receive my perfumes. I take like the, like the plastic wrap off, and I, spray it and smell it. But you know what? This time around, I wanted to unbox it with you guys and smell it for the first time on camera for you guys to see. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Kilian's Angels Share Eau de Parfum. So let's jump right in. So guys, I received this a couple of days ago. I think it was either the 30th or the 31st. I could not wait to rip into it, but it took every fiber of my being to restrain myself. So this is how it came. Plastic wrap is still on, and I didn't even touch it. I was so tempted, you guys, I'm telling you. So this is what it looks like. So let's open this puppy up. ASMR moment. Do you guys like it when people open plastic wraps on camera, or is it like not something you like? I got rid of that. Like I told you guys, I'm a savage. So this is what the box looks like, you guys. I mean, it's not that like luxury looking, but it's, pretty neat box. And this is the gorgeous beauty. And you guys see the juice is that gorgeous amber color. It looks basically like a whiskey glass. The by Kilian perfume brand is owned by the same person as the Hennessy alcoholic beverages brand. It's Kilian Hennessy. So it's kind of fitting that he created a perfume that looks like a liquor glass. Let's open it and smell. Oh, I have to spray this on myself. I'm gonna spray it on my clothes, and I'm gonna spray it on my wrist. Guys, I'm intoxicated just from the whiff I'm getting. Oh, wow, you guys. Whew. Oh, guys. This is one of a kind. I can tell you, this is a beast mode fragrance. I can already tell you. So guys, this is a very aromatic fragrance, I will tell you that much. It is a very aromatic, sweet, warm, spicy. Those are the three main chords I'm getting. Woody. I'm getting a little lactonic, amber, powdery, vanilla scent, you guys. And I just realized there's a little bit of cinnamon in this warm spicy here. It's a very sophisticated, grown-up, amazing, sexy scent. This reminds me of The Great Gatsby. That's what it reminds me of. Like the novel and the movie. So that when I smell this, that's where my mind went right into. I felt like I was transported to that novel, The Great Gatsby. I feel like I'm a woman in the 20s holding a glass of whiskey with the cigarette with that long, you know, holder. And, you know, I'm in like a 20s cabaret holding a glass of whiskey and wearing this perfume, you know. That's kind of what this is giving me. I think that really captures this perfume, you guys. And I think this is the essence of Kilian Hennessy too. Like, I think this is like that Hennessy brand meets his perfume brand. It's kind of like, really, this perfume smells like what this bottle looks like. Honestly, you guys, it doesn't smell like a whiskey, but it smells boozy, actually. A warm, spicy, sweet, vanilla kind of boozy perfume. Really gorgeous. This reminds me actually of another Kilian. This reminds me a little bit of Phantom by Kilian. Has a little bit of that Phantom DNA in this. Has a very boozy opening, as I told you guys, like a very much like a brandy kind of opening. Top note is actually cognac. That makes so much sense. Like the moment I sprayed this perfume, you guys, I thought brandy. Like on the top. The top note was like, yep, that's brandy. That's kind of what I thought. And cognac is a better version of brandy, essentially. And you know what? I smell tonka bean as well. So I was right. In the middle, you get cinnamon, tonka bean, and oak. It's gorgeous though. Although it sounds like very masculine, sexy, powerful women can pull this off, no problem. I mean, anyone can. You wear this, you will be that powerful, sexy woman. And on the base, just like I thought, I smelled praline. I knew there was a gourmand note in this. And then I smelled vanilla and there's sandalwood. I smell all those notes so well, you guys. I really smelled each one of the notes. I could tell tonka bean right away. In fact, this smells like Black Phantom by Kilian, like the other Kilian perfume, meets Dior Fève Délicieuse. So that's what it smells like. Fève Délicieuse, because of the tonka bean in this. If those two perfumes made a baby, that's kind of what this smells like. This is amazing, you guys. I love tonka bean. So there's praline, vanilla, and tonka bean. So it's a lot of gourmand notes in there. But this is actually an oriental vanilla perfume. This is one of the best vanillas I've ever smelled, to be honest, right, you guys. Spoiler alert, this is gonna go in my top 10 best vanilla fragrances video that I will be filming for you guys. Spoiler alert, sorry. It's so funny. I feel very classy, sophisticated, like I'm in Great Gatsby, but like that woman in 20s at this high society party who has like a wild cat inside of her, you know, like, argh. That's kind of how I feel. I'm describing this perfume the best way I can. I think really that's what describes this perfume. I hope I'm getting the idea across to you guys. Honestly, that's what this perfume makes me feel like. So you guys, it is gorgeous. I also want to get my hands on Roses on Ice, which is the other perfume that came out at the same time as this one. I can tell you right now, this is going to be a beast mode perfume that's going to last and last and last. But I will let you guys know up here somewhere when I'm editing this video how long it lasted. But I'm quite sure it's gonna last a long time, and the projection was definitely very good. I just got up to get a drink of water and I could feel it right over there. So definitely good projection. I really think niche brands are gonna give designer brands a run for their money. I am really excited to see what more we will see in this year coming out from brands like by Kilian and other niche brands. I hope this gave you an idea of what this gorgeous beauty smells like. Please let me know if you have this perfume or Roses on Ice and what you think of them. Please let me know in the comments down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. Happy New Year, you guys. I will see you in my next video.